Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Keep extension into your browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add the extension into your browser, just simply open your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser, simply tap into the extension page of Chrome. Then tap into Manage Extension, and after that go into Chrome Web extension page and search for the extension into here. And now after searching Google Keep, this Google Keep Chrome extension will appear. Just simply tap into that and then tap into this Add to Chrome option. Then after that it will ask for the confirmation again. You have to tap into Add Extension option and your Google Keep will successfully be added to your browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.